Hello dear viewers. Today we shall learn about the nouns and their usage in English grammar. Nouns are the subjects and objects of actions and thoughts. Without this part of speech, no meaning adds to anything. Writing begins with nouns, with stories built around subjects. Every writer should appreciate the role of nouns. Usually, the main definition of the noun lies like this. A noun is a name of a place, person, thing, collection, quality, condition, or any idea even. Many modern texts abbreviate this definition as person, place, thing, or an idea. The noun naming physical or measurable things are concrete nouns. The nouns for qualities, conditions, and ideas are abstract nouns. Now, basically, the nouns are of two types, singular and plural nouns. A singular noun identifies one person, place, thing, or even anything, etc. And plural nouns identify more than one. Usually, adding the letters s, es, or ies to the singular noun forms the plural. Examples are bag, bags, book, books, tree, trees, etc. And some nouns that are ending in s, sh, and ch. So let us see them. When we are adding es, if you need an extra syllable when saying the word, like examples church, churches, business, businesses, and dishes, dish, lunch, lunches, tax, taxes, witness, witnesses. Some nouns ending in f, double f, and sometimes fe also. Sometimes, but not always, the f changes to v and es is added to the noun. Unfortunately, the key is that this is not always done. Let us see the examples, like half becomes house, knife becomes knives, leaf becomes leaves, life becomes lives, and self, selves, thief, thieves, wife, wives. Some more examples are chief, chiefs, giraffe, giraffes, proof, proofs, sharif, sharifs, and tarif, tarifs. Let us see some more nouns ending in y. For a noun ending in y, change the y to an I and add es to form the plural. Most people know the y to I rule for forming plurals, but there are some exceptions, like army becomes armies, city becomes cities, and duty becomes duties, family becomes families, where y won't change to I. Let us see such examples: attorneys, journeys, keys, and valleys. Let us see some nouns that are ending in O. There are loose guidelines to the adding of s or es to nouns ending in O to form the plurals. If O is preceded by a consonant, add es to form the plural, with some exceptions. If O is preceded with a vowel, add s to the noun, like embargoes, heroes, mangoes, portfolios, where es is not added, just s is added, radios, ratios, studios. And now let us look at the vowels changing to e. Some nouns change spellings to form plurals. A common change in the conversion of a vowel or vowels to e to form the plural, like foot becomes feet, goose becomes geese, man becomes men, tooth becomes teeth, and woman becomes woman. And other type of nouns like collective nouns. A noun naming a group or collection is called a collective noun. Collectives are not plural nouns. A collective noun is a different form of the group. Plurals tend to end in s, while collective nouns look and act like singular nouns. Let us see such examples, like musicians become an orchestra, and players of the team, where team is a collective noun, and Employees become the staff. And collective nouns have a unique property. They take singular verbs in American English and plural verbs in UK English. The team is late. It is pronounced in US and the team are late is pronounced in UK. This difference is most obvious when dealing with proper collectives such as business names like IBM R sounds odd to Americans, isn't it? Let us see other types of nouns which are proper and common nouns. A proper noun is the name of a particular person or thing and is capitalized. Titles of books or other creative materials are considered as proper nouns. Other names are referred to common nouns. Let us look at the concrete and abstract nouns. A concrete noun names a thing that can be perceived by the basic senses. You can see, touch, or smell a concrete item. And the examples are woman, tree, house, cat, aeroplane, cliff, and river, etc. And the abstract nouns names a concept such as an emotion, a quality, or that cannot be sensed. And the examples are like love, quality, greed, loyalty, etc. Now, what are compound nouns? A compound noun is two words acting as one noun, like hyphenated word or a compound word. Compounds written as one word are said to be solid formations. So, let us look at the examples. The examples that are written as two words are Attorney General, Time Capsule, Vice President. And the hyphenated examples are brother-in-law, great uncle, passerby. And some examples for combined compounds are basketball, businessman, runaway. I hope you have understood. So try to form your own sentences using these nouns. It will be real fun. Thank you.